Sirap. Mali balik. Gimana? Oh, lipat. Balik kira sekali. Pak, lolos. Pak. Harus lokatan ini.
Dona dia Bruno Sefa, Escola da Nossa Senhora de Fátima Turiskai, Sua Excelência Presidente da República, Democrática Dr. José Manuel Ramos Horta, Unia Comitiva.
Sua Eminência Reverendíssimo Dom Virgílio Educasaun da Silva, SDB.
Excelência Ministra da Educação, Doutora Dulcia de Jesus Soares.
Reverendo Vigário Episcopal da Diocese de Dili.
Olarang solo kami estudantes e professores. Oto ia Turiskai. Tenti no congratula ia visita oficial ini. Miami ni escola. Usita oto ni Basaliman Makas.
Com respeito no hatru, kami convida Sua Excelência Presidente da República, Dr. José Ramos Horta, Unia Comitiva Toma, Sua Eminência Reverendíssimo Dom Virgílio Kardeal da Silva, Excelência Ministra da Educasaun, Dr. Dulce de Jesus Soares. May hakin yang preparado para ir a Lansamentu programa de meeting com interação de forma virtual entre alunos das duas escolas, Austrália e Sul-Oeste.
Pati no tempo ami convida. Usita oto ni Basaliman Makas.
Let us welcome Mr. President, Your Excellency, the Kardeal of Delhi, Minister of Education, and Mr. Brian from Telecom, and also the administrator from Sami. Do you mind just clapping to welcome them? Hello? Hello? Yeah. Can we clap? Hello? Can you hear me? Yeah?
Yes, we can hear you. Thank you, Richard.
I just mentioned that we want to welcome the President of the Republic, Mr. Dr. Ramos Horta, Your Excellency, the Kardeal of Delhi, Minister of Education, Mrs. Dulce, and Administrator of Sami, and also Mr. Brian from Timor Telecom. Would you mind just clap and welcome them to this event? Can you hear me?
Yes.
It's okay, don't worry about it. Boa tarde, bem-vindo, Your Excellency. Kardeal. Senhor Presidente, boa tarde, bem-vindo. Senhora Ministra, boa tarde, bem-vindo. Senhora Ministra, ao Senhor Presidente do município, boa tarde, bem-vindo. Mr. Brian, good afternoon, welcome. Por favor, could you take a seat? Can you hear the sound, or I have to close to the microphone? Can you hear me? Hello?
We can hear you, it's very soft.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Let's see if the technical people can fix it quickly. Can you hear me? Hello? Yes. Can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me? Is that alright? Yeah? Hello? Can you hear me?
Can you hear us? We can hear you. Okay, thank you. Good afternoon, everyone in Turiskai. Good afternoon, Your Eminence, Your Excellency, President Horta, and Education Minister, teachers, staff, and students. It is an honour to be with you here this afternoon. I'll introduce my team. This is our principal, Mr. Kevin Lewis, and our deputy principal, Mr. Peter Fier. And I'm Leader Broadley, Leader of Creative Arts and Leader of Immersion Program to Timor and Turiskai, and our students.
I'm Lucy, I'm a Year 11 student and I'm future captain. I'm Madison and I'm a Year 11 student and future school captain.
I'm Charlie, I'm Year 12.
Hi, I'm Imogen and the Year 11.
Hi, I'm Landon.
I'm Liliana and I'm in Year 11.
I'm Tom and I'm in Year 11. I'm the future house captain.
I'm Lily, I'm Year 12.
Okay, why don't we
I'm from Robbie, I'm Sunny's mum. Sunny's at work and couldn't make it, so his brother Eddie has come. Eddie. I'm Eddie. Thank you.
So please be seated, please. Be seated.
He said it's a student.
So our program will start with a conversation with Lisa. Oh, sorry, I got the students. They're going to introduce themselves.
Hello, my name is Armando Jesus Pires, and I am grade 12 grade. Hello, my name is Gregory Marquez Rodriguez. I am grade 11.
Hello, my name is Simeon Pereira. I am grade 11.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Leviana de Fatima Barbosa. I am grade 12. Hello, my name is Amadita da Silva. I'm grade year 12.
Hello. Okay, my name is Edukasaun Pereira. I am grade 12.
Hello, my name is Kardeal de Jesus. I am grade 10.
Hello, my name is Tomaje Madonna Sara dos Reis. I am grade 10.
Hello, I am Celestine Suarez, English teacher of Senior High School, Mustafa.
Hi, Lynn, you still remember me?
We have met last time in my office. So you can see that I'm here with His Excellency President and His Eminency Bishop of Metropolitan, and also with the students. Again, from our side, also, and this is really an honor for me to be here today, together with all the students from Turiskai, Sosial School, and also with students from Xavier School in Sydney. Excellencies and Eminencies, this is really the first ever opportunity and first ever event of a Zoom meeting between these two schools, and we hope that they can use this opportunity to communicate to each other, use Zoom meeting, which is Zoom meeting supposed to be like a virtual communication, as we all understand, but it's okay for us for today, that today is the first time for all of us to change our ways of communication, and also an opportunity for the students from Turiskai School and also students from Xavier School to share their experience and learning from each other. So I'll hand over to His Eminency maybe to say something before we offer to our directors of Xavier School in Sydney.
Hello, as you know already. First of all, I'd like to thank you very much for this opportunity, for making this contact with the Turiskai School. You know, Turiskai is really not in the city outside, but you have got the courage to adopt or become the free of your sister school. That's why I would like to thank you for this courage adopting Turiskai as your twin school. And secondly, making this event happen. As the Minister said, this is a real we mark a history in Timor-Leste, especially in the municipio of Manufai in Turiskai, but the history making the June meeting between these two schools through this communication through this June. And taking this opportunity, I would like to thank you very much for this space. We hope that through this, our students here, though they are far away from Chile and even from Australia, but they can improve their English and the quality of education. So for that, I would like to thank for this realization of this program. And on behalf of this school too, I would like to thank Mr. President, His Excellency Dr. Horta today comes here for this opening of the June together with the Excellency Minister of Education, Ms. Dulce, for this opportunity. On behalf of our Catholic school, we really feel it's a privilege for us. But thank you very much, and we hope that our students will treasure and will benefit from this cooperation. Thank you.
Thank you.
The director wants to say something.
Yes, Leanne, could you ask the director of school to say a few words, please?
Yeah, I'll invite Kevin to speak.
Your Eminence and Your Excellency, thank you for the opportunity to speak to you today. It's a great honour for our school to have the opportunity to have a partnership with Our Lady of Fatima and to allow our students to engage with your students and to build a relationship and Christian brotherhood and sisterhood with them. It's our great desire to continue that support through a memorandum of understanding which was signed in 2019, and we'd like to renew that at some stage next year with your cooperation. So it's wonderful to have this opportunity, and thank you for taking the time to be with us this afternoon and for supporting the opportunities that allow our students to engage with your students and your community as well. Thank you very much.
I'll also Peter here, our deputy, to speak as well.
It's been amazing to connect with you today, of course, and it's amazing the experience that our students have in connecting and having an immersion over there with your school. They come back changed, richer, and have an amazing story to share with our entire communities. So their experience becomes our entire community's experience. So we just appreciate that opportunity and hope that this connection to your country and ours continues to grow and be nurtured. Thank you.
I'm just going to ask if one of your students would like to say a few words of the experience they had here in Timor-Leste.
Could you have this?
Yeah, captains.
Good afternoon, Your Excellencies and Your Eminence. Thank you so much for this opportunity. We are so grateful. Going to Timor touched all of our hearts, and to have this connection is something that we truly love and are so grateful to have. So thank you so much.
Okay, I'm going to ask one of the teachers here to say a few words.
Hello, how are you today? Okay, although we are far from each other, we are in Turiskai and you are in Malina. We are far enough, but by this time we meet each other through the Zoom meeting. And I am as English teacher from senior school, just want to say thank you very much for your help, for all the things that you gave us 2 months or 3 months ago. So all the things that you gave us can support us in the school, Sosial school, to develop our study here, especially for example like computers, violins, and toilet, and also some books that you gave us a month ago. And I still remember that at the time, although it was heavy rain, muddy and also cloudy, but you still managed to get our president of East Timor to inform about our difficulty in Turiskai. And now we are here with our president and also Excellency Bishop of Gili, and also Minister of Education here, and also some of government here to participate in our ceremony Zoom meeting. And also, I would like to say that maybe this is just a case that maybe our spirit is working hard, so it can help us, especially for Turiskai, to get more equipment from Xavier Catholic College, so we can use all the things that he gave us to support our study here. And also, we need that, we'd like to say that our relationship will not only stop here, up to here, but will continue until when we get better life in the future. That's all about things, all the things that we are thinking about here. Thank you very much.
Hello.
Hello.
In this moment, I would like to tell about importance of media social. Media social is important part to do it. It helps people stay connected and safe, and talk with opinions with others in safe, cyber environment. It can also be used to promote from a budget organization and cause real information about current event and trend. I think of the friends going to continue what is I'm talking about.
Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon, everyone. Yeah. At the moment, I would like to tell about an English for relationship. English, I think, in our school of Sepat, there's some they speak good English, but a lot of people not speak good English. So make relationship with another country and Australia, school Australia, to make relationship, but so I request to director and school Saber to send one teacher to our school Sepat, so that's why I can improve our English in our school Sepat. It's better, and so that's why I can make relationship with other country and to conversation with friend in Australia, especially for Saber school, and also I am representative of school Sepat. Give thanks for a school, for Saber school, because given the computer library and school etc. And so I want to speak good English better in the future. I want to request to director in Australia, special for school, Saber school, to send one teacher to our school of Sepat. So that's why can improve our English in our school of Sepat is better than the conversation with another country and other friends. I think that is all, and thank you very much.
Thank you. You're amazing.
So have we got any more things to say, please? Have we got any more words to say at the end? Hello? Have we got any more to say? Have we got something to say? Can you hear me?
Sorry?
Have you got anything else to say? Otherwise I'll pass it to the president.
We've got anything else to say? We're very delighted to continue the partnership with Turiskai, and I know that today at lunchtime we had a large meeting of students who want to come to Turiskai next year. We're going to be very happy to send more students to come next year, probably in September when it's not raining, so they can enjoy beautiful weather in Turiskai in September and October next year. And I know that we are going to be doing some more gathering of books and resources in a shipping container to send them over to you later in the year. So that's something that we'll be working on at this end, as well as helping to raise funds that may be able to go towards helping your library. So we'll be looking forward to that, and the Zoom meetings with these students and the students that want to come to Timor next year and come and visit, that they can make friends with you before they actually come, which I think will be a lovely thing for them to do. Thank you. any one of you want to say something? Imogen?
Yeah.
Imogen, come stand front.
So hi, at the lunch meeting today, I believe all of us showed up and we spoke about how touched we were by the experience to go over there and how much it meant to us and our ability to share that with hopefully the people who will be going over in the future. It was such a life-changing experience for us, and hopefully the next people will cherish it just as much. And yes, thank you for everything.
Thank you.
I will now ask Mr. President, Your Excellency the President, maybe you might have a few words to say. Just a few words.
Your Eminence, Minister, first, my apologies if the cause of any delay. I had a meeting indeed with the Prime Minister and followed by an urgent meeting. So I left Delhi only at 12:30, 12:15. So necessarily arrived 3 hours later. I wouldn't miss this opportunity since our Minister of Education, Madame Edukasaun, told me about coming to Turiskai. First, my first reaction was I wanted to come to Turiskai anyway for a long time. And every time some people in Turiskai see some of my posting in my page about me being somewhere, I get comments. And when are you coming to Turiskai? So this was a great opportunity to come after many years of absence from here. And I'm one of the enthusiastic and passionate advocates of digitalization, artificial intelligence. I've been urging our government for years to look into digitalization. And I remember I used to work with the UN after I left office as president. I was in Guinea-Bissau, West Africa. And every 3 months I had to go to New York to brief the UN Security Council. But sometimes I declined because I didn't want to leave the country in West Africa. And the means to inform the Security Council was VTC, video teleconference. That was the technology I used many times to brief the Security Council, the Secretary General, and it worked very well. But you have to be in one place. I used it before in Delhi with the UN, the World Bank facilities to do that. A few years ago, I was giving a lecture to a Harvard University class in Boston through Skype. And so VTC, Skype, and I even forgot other that are very antiquated. I'm no longer using. I haven't used Skype now for a few years. So very fast we are moving to much effective greater connectivity. And I have to congratulate and thank Telemor. Telemor is a Vietnamese company that has the biggest penetration in Timor-Leste. They go everywhere in the country. In a very Vietnamese fashion. They were very courageous, determined in fighting the French, the Americans, and they are very courageous in fighting against poverty and modernize their country and modernize everything. And that's why they explain how Telemor in few years beat every rival telecommunication company in Timor-Leste. So I have to thank them for that. I hope that in a year or two maximum, we will have a submarine cable from Portland, Hadron, Australia, maybe another submarine cable from Alor, and maybe in a few months' time, fiber optic from Tambua linked with Motai. I hope that is moving ahead now, and that will put Timor-Leste connectivity at the level of Singapore, Australia, and so probably better than Australia, because every time I'm in Australia, I have difficulties sometimes with internet. I have done more than 100 Zoom conferences in the last 2-3 years with all over the world. I had problems with telecommunication only once. I have done more than one with many times the US, Europe, sometimes multiple, numerous, hundreds of people involved. Have no problem. I did it out of Dili in Summit twice, in Mariana last week, 10 days ago I did, etc. So in spite of current limitations, there is some good connectivity in some areas, but I hope that another year too we give to everybody in this country the possibility to communicate, to study, to learn, for doctors to update their studies in medicine, nurses, engineers, for everyone to have easy access. My office is working with the University of New South Wales in Sydney. I'm a visiting professor at the University of New South Wales since '97, although it's mostly nominal, but they still keep an office of mine. If you go to the law school in University of New South Wales, you will see Professor J. Scott Ramuzota. You will see even my parking space reserved for me near the Chancellor's office. And I'm going there next on the 20th or 19th of October to give a lecture at the University. So working with them to facilitate electronic library, for Timor-Leste through University of New South Wales. So I think there's a lot of possibility that fast we'll have schools all over the country. And today I brought here these honor guests. Actually, the most important person sitting here is not me, is not the Cardinal, is not the Minister, is young lady. I just met her now outside, so but they invited her to come to represent all the children outside. She probably doesn't know what is going on here. She's saying good afternoon to everyone. As you hear, thank you. How are you? How are you?
How are you?
She said,
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Okay. My name is Leviana Fatima Barbosa. I am grade 12. My interest studies semester. In this moment, I would like to tell you about the English pronunciation. Yes. For us, English is very difficult and English is not easy to speak and learn because
English is not our official language, but English is an international language. Yes, English is for us difficult, and English is not easy to speak and learn. But English is very important for us to make a good relationship with another country. And English is a key for us to make a good relationship with Sosial High School. And through Sosial High School can help our school to give the computers to practice about the technology and to make them our new school and our new neighborhood. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. You're doing so well with your English. It isn't a difficult language.
Okay, I'd like to tell a bit more about my students here. We're just talking about English and English for us. And I think that it is as a request for me and also for request for friends for Australia. And now they have said, they already mentioned that because English is important for us, and also when we speak Timor, lots of children here come closer to you, and also, but they don't know how to speak English, and also they don't know how to communicate with the Australian because the problem is English. So this is the request for me and also for Sale Australia, how to show, how do you think about showing the teachers, and also we can do better life in future. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon, guys.
Good afternoon.
So, before I'm going to give a little bit comment about the social network, but at this time, I don't forget to dedicate my thanks with my bottom of heart. First, for the director of Xavier High School for every material that donated to Lansamentu High School. And the last, my thanks to the director of the general director of Telemore Connection for Mr. Brain for his kindness to create internet connection in our school. So now I'm gonna give a little bit comment about the social network. The social network is the important aspect that bring us to make a simple communication and make relationship and in this moment I don't forget to recommend to our friend for Salve High School to make and to touch more our cooperation for the future. Think only this, and thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hello.
Hey, hello.
Good afternoon. How are you? How are you?
Good. Very good.
Yeah. Alright. Good. Yeah.
Okay, my name is Simon Ferreira. Before I give a little comment about social network, I don't forget to say my respectful to the director of Sosial schools and student and my love and my respect for the students for Xavier schools. Once again, good afternoon. Once again, good afternoon. From my point of view, social network is contribute for student intelligence. Social network is contribute for student intelligence with internet and applications, Google, WhatsApp, Facebook, and so on. If, for example, if I don't understand about something that I should ask for my friends from several schools, and through WhatsApp, and with social method I can access for computer to add more my capacity and mind. I think it all, and thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, let's just, I've been told that it's time, but first of all, especially to Your Excellency, our Kardeal, thank you very much for your time. You traveled a long way to be here for a short time. So, Mr. President, we had a very busy week, and today was very busy with the good books that you've been on. Mr. President took his time off again to be here again today. Thank you very much for your time. Mrs. Wilson, Minister of Education, thank you very much to make this event possible. Thank you. Administrator of Sanya, thank you, sir, for your time and to be here with us. Mr. Brian, thank you very much for the connectivity that you have provided. We hope that our students will get better with Zoom and that they can exchange information and that they can talk to their fellow students in Australia that one day they have a better education, better English. And I'll just close in, but I think the Minister wants to say something, so we're going to hand the microphone.
Just again, just to say thank you very much to Your Excellency and the Eminence here. And I know that all of you have worked effortlessly and contribute well during the preparation of this event. And it's for Minister of Education, this is just the beginning of all the efforts and long journey of education in Timor-Leste. So for the school, Xavier School in Sydney, I think we would like to again thank you for all your efforts, and also we are seeking for your support in the future to maybe to establish this type of communication in other schools in Timor-Leste. And also to Mr. Eddie, thank you very much for all your support to Minister of Education.
Just before we go, I would just like to remind Your Excellency and the Reverend that the next setup will be in Atulia. We'll be doing the same, Atulia and Bedford. So we'll just go through the minister. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye.
Foto session.
Let's do.
Okay, let's start.
He's just taking a photo, so we don't do it.
Okay,
Your Excellency, Your Eminence, can I say thank you, and Minister, thank you so much for your time this afternoon. It's been a very wonderful opportunity to meet with you all, and on behalf of our Director of Schools, can I extend a warm invitation to you to visit our school, and anytime you have the opportunity to come to Australia, you'll be very, very warmly welcome to here at Xavier Catholic College.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. God bless you.
God bless you. God bless. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you. Bye.
Good night.
Bye. Thank you.